So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone front camera not working after new iOS 17 beta update. Lot of iPhone also facing that issue, even I was facing that issue, so I created that video after fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how it's work and how it's fixed. Okay, firstly move to the solution one is forced to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart after update iOS 17 developer beta on your iPhone. Okay, then try to again iPhone camera. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is reset all network setting. To do that, open iPhone settings. In settings you need to scroll down and tap on general. Okay, now scroll down again. As you can see showing here, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that, tap on reset and reset all setting. After reset all setting, you need to open your iPhone front camera again and then try it again. If that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Okay, now you need to turn on airplane mode. After 5 to 10 seconds, turn it off back. Now again try to open iPhone front camera. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn off your iPhone and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds and then try again your iPhone front camera. If that method is also not working, make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone front camera not working after iOS 17 beta update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.